Hello viewers, welcome back to Nimark Farms YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Today's episode, we will be learning more about how to treat sick birds with organic stuff. Like we produce organic chicken, so instead of wasting money on expensive antibiotics and drugs that in turn bring about some negative impact in our health, we try to treat our birds organically. So later in the evening, we realized that one of our birds was sick rather, and as we all know, the first step in curbing this is to isolate the bird. So here it is, down here it's been isolated so that proper medication and care can be given to it. So we will be learning how to take care of them when they are sick with organic materials. So let's start. So we have our three ingredients here. First, we have our raw organic honey. This one has been infused with garlic. You can use just the honey, but then we prefer infusing it with garlic to make it more potent. As we all know, honey is very rich in so many nutrients and it helps in curing so many diseases. It's a natural antibiotic, antibacterial, and antifungal, boosting immune system, and so on. So garlic has a lot of nutritional values. The same way, honey is a natural antibacterial, rich in very many nutrients, and it also helps in boosting the immune system. So our third ingredient is the apple cider vinegar. This can be prepared at home though. But then when you are buying, you go in for the raw organic vinegar made from organic apples and which is raw and unfiltered. With those ones, you get health benefits from it. Mostly they contain the madder, which is also very potent. We have our garlic here. So what you'll be doing is you use 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 clove of garlic, and you use 2 liters of water. 2 liters of water. So we have our inscriptions on our bottle here. So our first step is this is our garlic, the 1 clove of garlic that we'll be using. Your first step is to peel the garlic, and after peeling the garlic, you cut it into smaller pieces. We have our container here, so the garlic will actually be cut into smaller pieces, or it can be crushed. You cut or crush the garlic into smaller pieces, so I prefer cutting them into smaller pieces, and you leave it for about 10 minutes. In this way, you activate a compound called allicin in the garlic. The allicin helps in giving the garlic this nutritional powerhouse it has. It helps in boosting the immune system of humans and animals and so on. So you cut the garlic and you leave it for 10 minutes to activate the allicin in it. This is our garlic cut. We will leave it for 10 minutes. Then after the 10 minutes, you add your tablespoon of raw organic honey. So mine, as I was saying, mine has already been infused with garlic. You can use your raw organic honey, or you can also infuse the garlic in your honey. and you use it. So in subsequent videos I'll be teaching how to infuse your honey with garlic to make it more potent. So here we will be adding 1 tablespoon of the honey. 1 tablespoon honey. That's it. Then we add our tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This can as well be prepared in the house. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So now that these 3 ingredients have been added, the last ingredient will be water. So in this preparations you'll be adding 2 liters of water. 2 liters of water. So this is our water. We have our measuring over here. So 2 liters. We have our 2 liters. Let's have a look at it. This is how it's going to be like. So we have our honey. So now that our preparation is ready, this is the drinker homemade that I made in the isolation chamber for birds that are sick. So this will be the drinker. Then what I have to do is to pour my medication in it. And one fact that you have to be aware of is that before giving this to your birds, you have to make sure you've given them enough food. So let's go to the bed. So as I was saying, here is our baby girl. Let's go. So like I said, hi, hello, this is your water. Before anything, make sure you give it enough food. So in the morning I place some food inside for it to take, so that immediately you bring your medication, the bird will be able to drink as much as possible. So in this time we will come back and check up with the bird how it's doing. This is Mark Fans once again. I'll keep on updating you. As I was saying, this is the organic antibiotic, organic immune booster, organic health booster for animals that are sick. We treat them in this way, and in the isolation chamber we mostly place our charcoal inside. Charcoal is very good for the birds. It helps in eliminating or bad scent in their cages, and then it helps in removing excess waste when ingested. It helps in binding up with toxins inside the digestive system of the animal. So once a while it will feed on them, and every bad substance in the intestines worrying the animal will just be neutralized. So this is where our video ends for today. Hi guys, today marks exactly the 7th day of our isolation and treatment process of my birds, and as you can see, this is the 7th day, and our little friend here is looking all healthy, strong, and today is the last day of the administration of the medication. Like I said, before giving our treatment to the bird, we have to first give it enough food. So it's looking healthy now. Looking at how it is rushing for food, I can all testify to the fact that there's been massive improvement in the health of our little friend over here. So we've given it enough feed to consume, like I said before. So afterwards, you can now administer the medication to the bird. This will help it drink as much as possible to help cure any disease that is worrying your birds. So this is our feeder. This is our medication. We do it every day. You can like, share and subscribe to our channels for more interesting videos. Try this and give us your views. Your comments are welcome. Let's get interactive. Bye.